sure if we're living in a similar place. And stable words and the weapons ready. Let's start again. Seems like underplays underneath your greed. Your rules are becoming an obsession of your drowned brain. No place to go, no place to go with your pathetic game.